Ay,
Tol, masakit?
actually masakit siya. Pero nakaka-enjoy naman siyang laruin. Masakit nga lang pag tumama ang kanyang hinala.
Oh, shit!
Mic drop.
When there's poison in your head, leaves you broken in your bed. In the death, testify, name of love, the name of you bring me back to life, the name of
2024 na pala, pero yung nag-I love you sa'yo at nag-I miss you sa'yo at yung iningatan mo nung 2023 ay wala na dahil iniwan ka na.
Oh, shit!
Mic drop.